What if the car you thought you knew was about to change forever? The 3 Series has always been the heart of BMW. It defined driving pleasure for decades, but now everything is different. No engine noise, no traditional platform, no compromises. This is the all-new 2027 BMW i3 Neue Klasse, and it might just be the most important BMW ever made. BMW is not just launching another electric car, they are rewriting their entire identity. The Noya Klasa platform is built from the ground up for electric mobility. It is lighter, smarter, more efficient. This is not a converted gasoline car. This is a pure EV architecture, and you can feel that difference immediately. The proportions are cleaner. The stance is more aggressive. The design feels futuristic but still unmistakably BMW. This is where heritage meets innovation. At first glance, the front end looks bold and simple. The iconic kidney grille is still there, but now it's closed and smarter than ever. It hides sensors, cameras, and advanced tech. The headlights are razor-sharp, slim, almost digital in appearance. From the side, the car looks perfectly balanced, short overhangs, long wheelbase. It screams performance even when standing still. Flush door handles and aerodynamic wheels improve efficiency, and at the rear, the design is clean, modern, confident. This is not just evolution, this is a complete reset. But here's the real question. Is this still a true 3 Series? Because BMW fans don't just want efficiency, they want emotion, they want connection. So let's talk about what really matters. The new i3 Neue Klasse is expected to deliver serious performance, instant torque, smooth acceleration, no delay. Different versions will likely be available. Rear-wheel drive for purists, all-wheel drive for maximum grip, and yes, an M Performance version is almost guaranteed. Range: BMW is targeting up to 600 kilometers, charging faster than ever, thanks to next-gen battery technology. But numbers are only part of the story. BMW promises a driving experience that feels alive, precise steering, perfect balance, true driver engagement. This is not just fast, this is emotional. Step inside and everything changes. The cabin is minimal yet high-tech. A massive panoramic display stretches across the dashboard. Clean, seamless, intuitive. Physical buttons are reduced. Everything is focused on simplicity and clarity. The new BMW iDrive system is smarter than ever. Faster responses, better customization. Sustainable materials are used throughout the interior, premium but responsible, and the space. Thanks to the electric platform, there's more legroom, more comfort, more freedom. This feels like the next generation of luxury. BMW is pushing technology to a new level. Advanced driver assistance systems make driving safer and easier. Over-the-air updates keep the car fresh over time. AI integration allows the car to learn your habits, your preferences, your style. The driving experience becomes personal. It's not just a car anymore, it's a smart companion. Think about this. The 3 Series has always been about driving. Now it's about driving. And everything around it. Efficiency, intelligence, sustainability. This is the biggest transformation in the history of the 3 Series. This is not just another model in the lineup. The i3 Neue Klasse represents BMW's future. Every new BMW from now on will be influenced by this platform. This car sets the tone. If BMW gets this right, they lead the electric era. If they fail, everything changes. That's how important this car is. The electric sedan market is heating up. Tesla, Mercedes, Audi, they are all pushing hard. But BMW is playing a different game. They are focusing on driving feel, on emotion, on heritage. They are not just building an EV, they are building a BMW that happens to be electric, and that might be their biggest advantage. So what do we think? The 2027 BMW i3 Neue Klasse is bold. It's different. It's risky. But it's exactly what BMW needed. A fresh start, a clear vision, a strong statement. This is not the end of the 3 Series. This is its rebirth. Now I want to hear from you.